Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Welcome beautiful people. How's it going, beautiful people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be walking you through the entire process of how to do the sad face filter on TikTok. Alright, so I'll show you step by step how to do it, but please guys watch this video until the end, because if you miss a step, only one step, then you will not be able to use this filter to get the sad face filter. So please watch this video until the end. Now let's jump right into the video. What you need to do is to go on this website, and I'll put this link down below in the description, don't worry. And once you are on this website, now please tab on this link, how to get crying filter on Snapchat. Please tab on this link. And now you need to scroll down, and as you can see here, tap on this. This will open automatically in Snapchat, and now just wait a little bit, just few seconds. Okay, as you can see, now we have new lens found, and please now tap on unlock for 48 hours. Tap on there, now unlocking, and as you can see now I have this filter, guys, right? But yeah, just add your face because I didn't. Excuse me. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. I hope this video provided you with a great solution. So please try this filter and let me down in the comments down below if you have any questions, or if you have a question, please drop your question down below, and don't forget to give a like to this video. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.